If you have a Google Home, a Chromecast, and a Wyze security camera, you can say, "Hey Google, stream camera's name." So, "Hey Google, stream sample cam to living room TV."
Got it. Streaming sample cam on living room TV.
So if yours is called front door camera or living room camera, kitchen camera, you just say stream kitchen camera on living room TV, on master bedroom TV, on kitchen TV, whatever it is. And you can see now my Google Home is showing me the Wyze camera on the TV. It's streaming via the Chromecast. It's going to start lagging probably, and keep in mind this is the night vision mode turned on, so it's pretty dark in this room, but it's picking me up. My foot is now on the table with my sock here, and it's not showing up, so there is quite a lag. There seems to be a bug in the system. I'm using a first generation Chromecast, which shouldn't really affect it, but as you can see, it's bugging out. So if you have this issue, let me know please, but that is how you stream the Wyze camera to the TV via Google Home and Chromecast. So you need a Google Home, a Chromecast, and a Wyze camera.